1. The teacher along with her students going on a trip. A are B were C B. Answer C is. 2. Neither of the answers correct. A are B were C is D have been. Answer C is. Each of the boys has own locker. A there, B his, C our, D their his. 4. If I you, I would take the offer. A was B were C, and D B. 5. He runs faster than or in the class. A anyone, B any other student, all student, D everyone, B any other student. 6. The cake tastes than it looks. A good, B well, C better, better. 7. There is no doubt that she, the best candidate, is. Answer B is. The news very surprising. A, R, B, have, C is D, seem. Answer C is. 9. The manager, as well as his assistants, attending the meeting. A, R, B, were C is D, B. Answer C is. She is the woman car was stolen. A, who, which, whose, whose. 11. The students and the teacher happy with the results. A is B was, C or D has been. 12. The book was so interesting that I couldn't put it A up, B aside, C away, down. 13. She asked me whether I to the concert. Go B, went C had gone, D will go. Answer C, had gone. 14. No sooner had he arrived, it started raining. A when, B before, C, D then. 15. I don't know, he will attend the meeting. Whether, B, whether, C, diff that. Whether. 16. He speaks English than his brother more fluently. Fluent, C, most fluently, D fluently, more fluently. Hardly had I closed my eyes, the phone rang. When B, then C, and D, the answer when. 18. We enjoyed ourselves at the picnic. A much, B many, C a lot, D lots. Answer C a lot. 19. He worked as honest man should. A B and C. 20. Neither the manager nor the workers present. A was, B is, C were, has been, were. The teacher gave explanation of the topic. A vague, B clear, cryptic, D obscure. 22. He is known for his behavior in public. A, eccentric, B, disciplined, C, cautious, D, modest. Answer A, eccentric. To mitigate means to A, increase, B, reduce, C, deny, D, exaggerate. 24. The student's answer was it didn't relate to the topic. A, relevant, B, coherent, C, off topic, D, persuasive. 25. He was a speaker, capturing everyone's attention. A, dull, B, monotonous, C, charismatic, D, awkward. Answer C, charismatic. 26. She prefers tea, coffee. A than B to C over D from. Answer B, 2. 27. By the time we arrived, the movie A has started, B had started, C will start, D is starting. B had started. Everyone in the class to bring their book. A, be needing, C, needs, D, are needing. Answer C. 29. The results of the experiment were A, surprising, B, surprise, C, surprise, D, surprises. 30. It was the most speech of the event. A, inspire, B, inspiring, C, inspire, inspiration. Answer B, inspiring. 31. The student, the answer from the board. A, copy, B, copied, C, coping, D, coped. 32. I wish I how to solve this problem. A, know, B, knew, C, had known, D, will know. The baby cried because it was A, hunger, B, hungry, C, hungrily, hungered. The author, a new book last month. A, writes, B, written, wrote, D, write. Answer C, wrote. The flowers smell, A, sweet, B, sweetly, C, sweetness, D, sweets. 36. He apologized being late, A, for, B, of C, with, D, on. Let's wait until the rain will stop, B, stops, C, stopped. Is stopping answer B, stops. They insisted that he present. A, B, is, he, was, being. 39. I couldn't find my phone. I must have it at home. A, forget, B, forgotten, C, forgot, D, be forgotten. Neither my friends nor my brother coming to the party. A, are, B, were, the answer, C, is. If I had known, I helped you. A, will have, B, would, D, have. Would have. 42. The teacher made the students quietly. A, to sit, 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 sitting, D, sat. Sit. Scarcely had she arrived, the meeting started. A, B, then, and C, that, then. This book is superior, that one. Then B, from, C to D, over. He is used to early in the morning. A, wake, B, wakes, C, waking, woke. The company is known for its standards. A, highly, B, height, C, high, D, higher. Answer C, high. Despite the rain, they to play the match. A, continued, B, continue, are continuing, D, had continued. 48. The novel was so compelling that I read it in one. A, go, B, sit, sitting, D, seat, sitting. 49. Neither of the answers acceptable. A, were, B, are, C, is, D, be. And 50. She was praised for her were performance. A, excellently, B, excellent, C, excellent, D, excelling. Excellent.